Hey guys, Gus here from Defimedia, day 2, Redacted Live here at the Miami Beach Convention Center. And of course, I'm here with Tom Ngo, CEO of Metis. Tom, what brings you Redacted Live? Come on, talk to me.
Yeah, I think they have an amazing lineup of speakers and guests. Miami has always been a big influential place for Bitcoin and
Absolutely.
our assets here. I mean, Bitcoin is a leader in the space. How it reacts, the whole market reacts. No matter how big or different you are, it's all very correlated. So I think just connecting with the builders here, our guests here is extremely important to really expand.
It is, actually, it is. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about your platform? I know you love Bitcoin. I mean, obviously you said it leads the market always. You look at Bitcoin, it traces the market. But let's get more into of what Metis is and what is it doing, how is it providing for this space?
Yeah, sure. Metis was one of the first L2 scaling solution for Ethereum. For us, our ethos has always been really to support decentralization and the ethos of why blockchain exists. We've expanded to AI as well since we've seen the convergence of the two industries. Absolutely. And of course, Bitcoin with our GOAT network as well. Okay. From the Metis Foundation, we supported GOAT network, which we see, we have to bring utilization to Bitcoin accessibility. Absolutely. So that's a solution that we're really pushing for because it's not about Ethereum or Bitcoin. We're all in this together. It's bring accessibility from the outside world to our industry. Mm-hmm. We really highlight that we have strong use case for the blockchain.
Absolutely. And you talked about AI utilization. So what do you think is the key factor of utilization for Metis that you're bringing that makes most users be attracted to your project?
Sure. I think one of the challenges that people don't see today is data. Where the data is coming from, how clean the data is, and are there any kind of malicious actors utilizing data to manipulate certain markets or maybe applications?
Absolutely. It's something always everybody's concerned with. Security, data leakage. It's one of the biggest things that is happening. And so you're helping protect that data or secure that data?
Yeah. So we have a project that we've incubated called Laws AI.
Laws AI.
So it's bringing trust into data now. Now with blockchain, we can actually add like a serial number to all the data. We know where it's coming from, how it's being utilized, and we can even expand on how fees are generated and actually distributed to real contributors.
Oh, wow.
So it's a very interesting kind of aspect that we're introducing.
That is very interesting, actually. So it's kind of like a tag, a number that's attached to this piece of data to signify its authenticity or security. I'm guessing that these number sets have to correlate with each other to make sure that the data is authentic, and that's how the system kind of works. It's kind of like tagging an ID per data set, making sure that this data is valid, the origin of the data is the same data that's been received at the end of the pipeline.
You got that right. Absolutely.
Gotcha. And you're using AI to facilitate this as well to increase speed, or the AI you're implementing used for a different resource in your project?
We're providing an infrastructure framework where data can be utilized and actually labeled. Okay. Now, we don't use AI to label it.
All right.
We're using the blockchain to validate it and add it, like I would say, ingrain into the blockchain.
Okay. No, for a second, I got to admit, I was confused. I thought you might be using AI to help facilitate that. You never know now these days. People are getting really creative with AI sources. So what do you think that is the most important, most important goal for Metis in 2026? If you had one thing that you wanted to accomplish this year, what do you think it would be?
I would say for our main focus is bringing utilization of true blockchain expansion to the real world. Right now, it's still P2P or I would say cross-border remittances, payments. It's still the number one use case, trading and such. But we have to expand what we can use blockchain to really expand in regular industries.
Yes.
And AI, I think it's a very synergistic kind of move for us because we can provide something that traditional tech companies can't provide. A validating, trustless layer where projects can utilize, and actually it's transparent. That lives on the blockchain.
Gotcha. See, that's what I'm saying is you got to separate yourself from the competition. It looks like you've seen the future. Obviously, like you said, a lot of it's still used on trading, but we are changing. And as you know, not just Bitcoin, but blockchain itself is being integrated and being utilized more in the back end of financial infrastructures, data security. So to be able to separate yourself from the competition, I think is going to be one of the key factors in this space. Tom, I wish you the best of luck. I think it's going to be wonderful. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hey, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.